Yeah, hello everyone to this video here. In the last videos we designed those parts here, and today I will make a virtual first assembly and look if all parts fit together or not. I hope they will fit. Therefore we need all those parts here and another one. I do not know where the location of the part is, so I will just get this. Yeah, this is the bearing we will use. So, sorry for this. Maybe they will cut it out. So yeah, this one here is our bearing, and we have all those other parts here. And I will now make a new assemble, and there I will place I will need this one. I will need this one here first. So I will open it. And I can now place it. And I can also fix this. So where was this? Come on. There, grounded. It was one I was looking for. So here is the full first part. In the assembly mode they are a bit more shiny than in other modes. Yeah, then I will need, I think, this part here. I will just first place it here, and I will add something in part, because this visible sketch here and the visible plane do not look very good. And yeah, you see it's automatically updated. Sometimes there's a flash up here which shows you that there are not saved changes in the file. This one here is a constraint to make this thing here sitting right here at the surface, and sometimes you have to press enter and not escape. Yeah, there is one gap which has to be a bit larger. See at the moment. But there's one gap. I do not want to make it too large. I will have to edit the part so that this goes more into here, so that this part could easily flip to this. So in this direction it's more good. In this direction I will have to add a little bit more because it's starting to, yeah, right here, and that's way too early. So this part has to go until here without collision. But here the other parts look very good, so I will then add the bolt here. And as you can see here, I've added a part, and this flash will tell me that I have to update a few things here. And then I also can add the back cap here. So you can see here that you have in the cylinder here 3 different points where you can attach things, and also here, and you always have to have a look that everything is fitting. So yeah, in the next video I will edit this part here again that will fit better to this part here. So there, I have a little mistake in my plan, so I didn't calculate that this will go into here that far. But yeah, afterwards it's very clear that it will do this. So I will just bring this one a little bit more here, and then can cut out a few things and then it should work. Yeah, so thank you for watching. As always, hit the subscribe button, check the links out in the video description. There's the link to our webpage and also the links to our sponsors' web pages. Yeah, see you next time.